This is RadioOnFire.com. I go by the name of Diamond K. Thank you for joining me. Now, the latest on the trial of the officer who arrested Freddie Gray 1 year ago, things went underway today. And I've said it many times before, and I'm going to say it again, obviously. The arresting officers, the officers who put Freddie Gray in the car, these are the ones, in my opinion, who should face the biggest charges, not the drivers of the car. These guys, the two guys that we're seeing in the video dragging Freddie Gray, these are the ones who are responsible for what happened to him. Now, a Baltimore City police officer charged in that death, Edward Nero, faces assault, reckless endangerment, and misconduct in office. Freddie Gray, of course, 25 years old, black male, who died after he was injured in a police van. Now, that part is wrong. He was injured before he was put in the van. How difficult is that to see? Very, very simple. I'm going to tell you what's ironic. It's ironic that you have people who jumped on the police patrol cars, allegedly some guy who they think that they have on video setting a fire. You have video, very simple, guilty, right? Okay, no problem. Now, we have video of these officers dragging him before he's put in the car. And we got to go through all these shenanigans. Now, the people that I said, that happened during the uprising, they're already sentenced, right? But what sparked the whole thing off, we got to get this long, drawn-out thing. Here it is a year later, and we still haven't even had a real trial. And we're not even going to get one because he's going to throw himself before the judge. That's what happened. The trial is scheduled to begin on Thursday. It's expected to last about 5 days. But Nero's decision to have Circuit Judge Barry Williams hear the case, Nero is, it's a slick move. And if it works out, I'm sure the other officers are going to do the same thing. Who knows what's going to happen as a result of that? Of course, we remember the last trial, late last year, declared in a mistrial against William Porter. They were unable to reach a unanimous decision. Is that why he's throwing himself before the judge? Who knows? Now, a judge also ruled on several motions saying attorneys can't talk about the legality of the knife that Gray had on him when he was arrested or about Gray's troubled past. The judge also puts limits on how much an attorney can talk about Gray's injuries. What is that? What is that all about? If he died as a result of his injuries, why are you limiting how much he can talk about the injuries? This sounds like a bunch of foolishness that's getting ready to happen. But we'll definitely have to see the reckless endangerment, assault, misconduct in office, etc., etc. We definitely know that Freddie Gray suffered a critical spinal injury in the back of the police van. 6 officers facing these charges. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments section or on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at The Diamond K Show. And as always, I'm here, RadioOnFire.com. New shows added daily. I sense some foolishness here with this story.